everybody, Disney Nails and Beauty here with another nail haul. This is a little bit different than normal. I'd spotted these. So I spotted these on the internet and I thought I'd give it a try. So let's get them out. So it's from the My Nail Genie account. Giving you a little sweetie and some extra tips there. I did get the ones that was a 2, and you get a clamp for each one of them, which is cool. And I'm just going to take one of the hands out. So this is a silicone hand. I wanted one that was posable. The Glitter Planet one, I cannot pose it. You can buy a posable one from there, but they're always out of stock. This actually feels a lot different to the Glitter Planet one. I'll get it out and show you what that one looks like. So this is the Glitter Planet one, and as you can see it's curved, and that's what I wanted originally. But now I've decided I wanted a hand that was straight, and unfortunately Glitter Planets didn't have any in, so I could see which was easiest to work with. I went with the number 3 colour. It's very hard to tell on the websites anyway how they go, but yeah, these, all the fingers can be bended and stuff like that. You don't want to be taking it too far, and like the tips will just slide in. They do look more or less the same as the Glitter Planet ones, and but the stand is different, so I'm guessing, I'm not too sure how it works, but I'm guessing this kind of bobs in there somehow. Do you take that off? Maybe you take this off first and put that on there. Maybe that's how you do it. Yeah, and then click that in. I don't know how you move this. This is like not movable at all, so I'm not too sure how what I'm doing wrong here. I don't know. I'll have to have a play with that to see how that works. But yeah, I'll put a link down below. There's also when I purchased these, they did actually give me a code for anybody who uses this link will get 20% off. I don't gain anything from it. They just sent me the link, and I'm guessing when you purchase something they'll send you a link. So yeah, if you're interested, go and check them out, guys. It does bend. This completely bends, but it's really stiff, which is good because that's what you want. You don't want something that's going to be flimsy and around. Maybe I was just being a bit too overcautious with it. So I'm just going to see if it will actually stick to my new desk, and then we can have a go. I don't know if it'll go to the vent, to be honest, but we'll try it because I don't think there's going to be enough suction. No, it won't stick to the vent, so I'm going to have it further back. And that is not moving. Sorry about the camera wobbling, but that is just not moving whatsoever. That is really good. I'm really impressed with this stand. The stand I got with my Glitter Planet one, absolute rubbish. It falls off all the time. It's the flexi finger one. And this is it. It's big, it's bulky, and like I said, I have to actually put this on a separate piece of like worktop board because it wouldn't stick to the table that I had, but it would actually work with that. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this, guys. And I wouldn't say it was dead lifelike, but you can definitely get away with it. It's much better than the nail trainer. I feel like the one from Glitter Planet is a little bit more lifelike. I think it's more stronger, like the silicone you can feel is a much more better quality silicone that they've used. But that being said, this does feel softer. It just feels like, I think like putty or Play-Doh or something like that. It's quite soft and malleable, where this is quite stiff, which that's obviously what I was going for when I did actually buy this. And like I say, these are like £105, and I think these are about £60, although I got the two for £99, but I had a 15% off, so it was £85 for two. So an absolute bargain. And like I say, I will put that code down below. So yeah, I'm very impressed. And if you want to go and grab yourself one, then feel free to grab the link down below if you want 20% off. If you don't, go and look it up yourself, and it's called the Nail Genie. Oh, My Nail Genie, sorry. So, very impressed. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching again, guys, and see you soon. Bye.